In today's video, I will teach you how to make a metallic letter effect in Gimp. Let's get started. Creating metallic chrome letters in Gimp is a fun and creative process that can add a sleek and professional look to your designs. Follow these step-by-step instructions to achieve the stunning chrome letter effect. The first one is installing the Chrome logo script. Before we dive into creating chrome letters, you'll need to install the Chrome logo script from GitHub. This script will help automate the process of generating chrome effects in Gimp. And here's how to install scripts in Gimp. First, visit the GitHub repository where the Chrome logo script is hosted. Then download the script file to your computer. Then open Gimp, go to Edit, select Preferences, then go to Folders, then Scripts. Then open the Scripts folder and move the script file to the Gimp Scripts folder. Then click OK to save your preferences. Now you're ready to create the metallic chrome letters in Gimp. Launch Gimp on your computer to begin the process. Then go to Filters, Script Foo, and refresh the script to make sure that the Chrome logo script is installed. There are two methods to access the Chrome logo script. The first one is going to File, Create, Logos, then Chrome. This method provides more customization options, allowing you to start from scratch. And the second method is going to Filters, Alpha to Logo, then Chrome. This method offers fewer customization options, but allows you to apply the chrome effect to existing text. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Now we're going to adjust the parameters. Once you've accessed the Chrome logo script, a pop-up window will appear with various parameters for customization. Here's a breakdown of some of the key parameters. The first one is Offset Pixels 2. Adjust this value to control the thickness of the chrome effect. Thinner areas tend to produce a cooler effect, while wider shapes may require a higher offset value. And the second parameter is the background color. Choose the color to fill the background layer created by the filter. The default is light gray, but you can select any color using the color selector. Then experiment with these parameters until you achieve the desired chrome effect for your letters. Once you're satisfied with the chrome effect applied to your letters, it's time to save your work. To do this, go to File, then select Save. Or go to File, then Export, and choose your preferred file format, for example PNG or JPG, then select your destination folder. And there you have it. You've successfully created metallic chrome letters in Gimp. Feel free to experiment further with different text styles and settings to unleash your creativity. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.